Hey guys, Roger Burnley here. I have some really great stuff for you. I've been a vocal coach for many, many years, and I've developed a lot of really cool techniques. Now, on this one, I'm going to answer some of the questions that I've been receiving from you guys, and this one was how to sing with more freedom. And so, first of all, we got to understand what creates the freedom. What creates the freedom is you not straining and being really constricted in your vocal area, your larynx, your voice box. We don't want any restriction there because that's where your vocal cords are. So understand what happens. Your vocal cords will change their size. You don't need to understand this completely, just have the concept. They will change their size to correspond to a different note that you are trying to create. For instance, when you're speaking normally, think of your vocal cords as being long or just elongated or in their natural place. But then when you want to go and say something a little bit higher up there, then what has to happen? Your vocal cords need to get smaller or thinner. It's an easy concept I'd love for you to do this. Look inside a piano if you can. You'll see that the strings in the piano, the lower strings create a lower pitch. The thinner strings create a higher pitch. Or in the guitar, same thing. So have that concept and apply it to what's going on with your vocal cords. Now, that means that the vocal cords need to have the ability. They need to have the freedom. That's where you really want the freedom. You need to have the freedom for your vocal cords to move back and forth to create those sounds and create the freedom that you want, to create that ease of it all. So I'm going to give you an exercise that you will practice for a while and you'll get this. So all you're going to hear is that I am allowing my vocal cords to change back and forth to reach these notes. Over time, that develops into this whole freedom throughout my entire body about how I'm singing. Ah, all I'm doing, I'm letting go of every note. Ah, now let me explain. If you've been, developing some other habits, it may take a while for you to get this one because you may have a lot of tension under here with the swallowing muscles or something like that. But don't worry, you will get this eventually. So I'm going to give it to you in a really easy way to start off with. And as you're using all the other stuff that I give you, over time, you'll see that this one will come into play and you'll be able to do it very easily. So on this one, let's do it on this exercise. Okay. I don't know why I'm using an ah sound because it's the worst one, but you guys need that, so we'll do it. Okay. Ah, ah, ah. Now what I'm doing here, I'm being like a little ventriloquist because I want you to get the idea. I'm not going to move. So I want you to understand that internally here, my body has over time developed this ability to just let things go and allow the vocal cords to do the changes. That's what changes the notes. Again, you will understand this eventually, so just go with it for right now. Ah, 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 ah. Pretty cool, huh? I used to actually do that. You guys can play around with this too. I would practice being a ventriloquist. Think about that. When you watch a ventriloquist who's like holding this dummy and creating all these other sounds, how are they doing that without moving their mouths? Because they have figured out the control internally to allow their vocal cords to do that. So you're gaining a little bit of that here, and that's going to make your singing really brilliant. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. Use this, practice it, be patient with yourself. Please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and leave your questions and comments, and I'll see you on the next video.